This is not a pickup. This is not an SUV. This is a declaration of dominance carved in steel. The 2027 Lincoln Navigator pickup truck is what happens when American luxury stops whispering and starts roaring. This machine doesn't arrive quietly. It commands space. It bends attention. It makes traffic feel small. The first time you see it in your rearview mirror, you don't think truck. You think power, authority, control. This isn't built for noise. It's built for presence. And the moment that front grille appears, massive, illuminated, unapologetic, you understand something instantly. This is executive muscle. The stance is wide, the shoulders are heavy, the front fascia looks like it was carved from a single block of confidence. The LED signature isn't just lighting, it's a warning. Sharp, clean, surgical. When those lights power on, it feels intentional, calculated. Every line across the hood flows with tension, not chaos, tension, like it's holding back strength. Move to the side and the proportions hit you. Long, commanding, balanced. This isn't a rushed pickup conversion. The bed integrates seamlessly. The body lines flow uninterrupted. The rear doors maintain that signature luxury length, while the rear section transitions into a powerful, squared-off cargo design. It doesn't look modified. It looks inevitable. The wheelbase gives it a planted feel. Those large premium rims fill the arches perfectly. The stance is low enough to feel aggressive, high enough to feel unstoppable. It doesn't sit like a work truck. It stands like a flagship. And that paint. Deep metallic emerald, dense flakes, mirror reflections slicing across the surface under city lights. In daylight, it glows rich and executive. At night, it turns darker, moodier, almost menacing. It's not loud green, it's powerful green. Step closer to the front grille and the detailing becomes clear. Chrome elements are sharp, not excessive. The emblems sit centered like a badge of authority. The LED daytime running lights stretch cleanly across, forming a signature that's instantly recognizable from a distance. This is not about aggression alone. It's about controlled aggression. Open the door, and suddenly the outside brutality transforms into calm dominance. The cabin feels like a private jet lounge disguised as a truck. Premium leather wraps every major touch point. Real wood trim, not plastic imitation. Brushed metal accents reflecting soft ambient light. The dashboard stretches wide, horizontal, architectural. Digital display screens flow seamlessly across the panel. Crisp graphics, smooth transitions, zero clutter. You sit high, but not awkwardly high. The driving position feels powerful, commanding. The steering wheel is thick, confident in your hands. Press the start button. The startup animation glides across the display. Ambient lighting softly illuminates the cabin edges. It doesn't explode with color, it glows with intention. Silence, then subtle engine presence. This is where it gets interesting. Under the hood, expect a twin turbocharged V6 evolution or possibly hybrid-assisted torque delivery. Not just for speed, for effortless force, smooth acceleration, immediate response, no drama, just authority. You press the throttle and the weight moves with surprising grace. It doesn't lurch, it surges. The suspension system absorbs imperfections like they don't exist. Adaptive damping keeps the ride level. Even with a truck bed, it maintains luxury composure. Steering feels precise, not sports car sharp, but confidently accurate. You guide it rather than wrestle it. And despite its size, it doesn't feel bulky. It feels grounded. Now look at the rear. This is where most trucks compromise. Not here. The tailgate design mirrors the front's authority. full-width LED light bar stretching clean across, clean typography, balanced spacing, strong bumper design. When the brake lights activate at night, the glow is bold but refined. No cheap brightness, just clean intensity. And the bed? Integrated, functional, elegant. It's built for utility, but designed for executives who don't want to sacrifice image for capability. Whether it's weekend adventure gear or business equipment, it carries without losing identity. This isn't a construction site truck. This is a power meeting truck. Driving through a city like New York City, it reflects skyscrapers across that metallic paint. Every glass panel becomes a moving mirror. Pedestrians turn, cameras lift. It doesn't beg for attention, it collects it. Highway cruising feels effortless. Cabin insulation blocks wind and road noise almost completely. The sound system surrounds you with clean, immersive audio. Conversations stay calm even at high speed. Technology inside supports the experience rather than overwhelming it. Driver assistance systems operate quietly in the background. Lane centering feels smooth. Adaptive cruise control holds distance naturally. No sudden corrections, no robotic interruptions. Confidence. That's the theme. Confidence in design, confidence in performance, confidence in presence. The 2027 Lincoln Navigator pickup truck doesn't chase trends. It doesn't try to look futuristic with unnecessary angles or dramatic cuts. It stays bold, straight, muscular. American luxury evolved. It challenges trucks like the high-end trims of Ford and even luxury rivals without copying them. It stands in its own lane, bigger than practical, bolder than expected. And that's the point. Because this vehicle isn't for everyone. It's for someone who wants a truck but refuses to step down from flagship status. Someone who wants capability without losing boardroom energy. Someone who doesn't compromise. The road presence is addictive. Once you drive it, smaller vehicles feel temporary, lighter vehicles feel fragile. This feels permanent. Heavy in the right way, refined in every movement, brutal in silhouette. The 2027 Lincoln Navigator pickup truck doesn't whisper luxury anymore. It weaponizes it. And once it passes you, you don't forget it.